Hello, what's your name?
Tim Chen.
Tim.
Yeah, my English.
That's a unique name. What does that mean?
Just English name.
English name.
Just for easy to remember because Chinese name, maybe I said my Chinese name is not easy to remember. Yeah, for you. Yeah.
But this one is also difficult.
Yeah. Tim.
Team. All right, team. So what do you do?
I just take a look. I wanted to buy clothes. Yeah.
You're here for shopping?
Yeah.
So what do you do professionally? Are you studying or are you doing business? What?
Business here. Yeah.
In Pakistan?
Yeah.
A lot of Chinese people, Chinese or Japanese people came in Pakistan for the business. Why?
Because we are friends. Chinese and Pakistan are friends.
they're friends?
Yeah.
All right.
So we can have some business in exchange. Yeah. And as I know, many Pakistan guys also in China.
Yeah, there are many people who move to the other country for the business purpose.
Sorry.
I'm saying there are many people who move to the different countries for the business purpose.
Yeah. It's normal. Yeah.
So, how your business is going in Pakistan?
It's good. Yeah.
But people here are not having good business right now.
I think I just can say good. I cannot say bad because actually the friends I know is very friendly. So I say good means that. But the general environment maybe now is tough. But I think we can face the difficult together. Yeah.
Chinese environment is more tough than Pakistan.
No. Chinese economy is good.
Yeah, I know its economy is good, but I'm talking about the business structure. Is it easy for you to do business in China or to do over here?
I think it's harder to compare. It's two dimensions. Yeah.
All right. So can you sing a song in Chinese?
No, sorry. No.
Just say something in.
I think welcome to China and listen to Chinese song. Okay.
Are you going to sing a song or not?
Huh?
Are you going to sing a song or not?
No. Sorry, I'm shy.
You're shy. It's okay.
Okay.
I don't think you're shy.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.